couple of years ago, I did my Yaris headlamps with this product here, turtle wax thing. It was kind of good, but it's only good for one shot type of thing, and it lasted about 18 months. My lights went dull again. So I thought, well, I'm not going to buy that was kind of expensive. So I was reading on the internet, as you do, about using lacquer. Can you use lacquer? I said, yeah, use lacquer. So I did. I had this in the shelf. So I sprayed it, I buffed them all up till they were nice and shiny again, and I painted them. Except I didn't realise that this is a satin lacquer. So I've actually made them worse. Oh, Friday afternoon. Been a long week. But I'll leave that to dry, and then I'll use a clear lacquer. Not having much luck with this job. This is a couple of weeks later. I got some of this Rust-Oleum clear gloss lacquer, and they still go cloudy. The light just goes from bad to worse. That clear lacquer, it doesn't work. It still goes cloudy. That's dry now. That's been on for like 4 hours, and it's all gone cloudy. So there must be something reacting in the plastic. So it looks like I'm going to have to sand that down again with the 2000 or 3000 paper and just polish it worse. So I ended up this afternoon, Sunday afternoon, sanding my lights down from, I started off with the 350 grit on an orbital sander, polished and polished and polished, and got it down to a 2000 paper, and then buffed them with a polish machine with some compound, and they've come up all right. So I wouldn't really recommend lacquer on your lights. What a job getting it off. Of course, naturally, I didn't take the lamps out, I didn't where they were, but they're all crazed, the lights. They're all, it's 2006 is this car. But clear lights in winter is a must, you know, it really is. And these aren't the best lights. Let me tell you, Yaris is a great little car, but this is a crappy design for a headlamp. When it's snowing, the snow builds up on the top. Well, you've got your indicator in there, but it builds up on this shelf here, and it builds up all on your lights. Now, being LEDs, it doesn't melt the snow, so you've got to get it off if it ices up without breaking your lights. It's a bit